falling to pieces in my room. Are you coming over? That's cool. I could use a little something to do. We could go outside, take a little ride if you want to. That's cool. I did what I was supposed to. There's nothing left for me to do. So now I'm poking out my head through open windows, 'cause that's what I feel like. Do it tonight. Waking up my brain, maybe you can do the same thing. You want me to say something, I come up with nothing. Maybe we can talk until we figure out a topic. Been so long in my head, caught up in my feelings.
How cute is my shirt? I just want to flex this. It says, I'm ready for a new chapter in my life. And yes, I am ready for the next chapter in my life.
When it happened.
Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jing. I make mommy, lifestyle, and fitness content here on YouTube. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. And if you are not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe before leaving. I just want to say good morning. I'm going back to my routine after my daughter's hospitalization. Finally, I'm going back on track. Ganun talaga, pagka na-interrupt yung usual na routine mo, balik lang tayo ulit, because that's what we are trying to build. Yung habits that will be sustainable, that will last long term para sa atin. So, balik lang tayo. Sabi nga, di ba? Minsan nadadapa tayo. Pero the key is to just bangon lang ulit and then start all over again. Diba? Insert Tony G. Anyway, so I'm really happy because I was able to do my workout this morning. Yay! Isa yan sa mga goal ko for this year, to finish my workout early on para at least I still have a lot of time in the afternoon to do some work, to chill, to hang out with my kids, to take care of them, stuff like that. But today, welcome to another What I Eat in a Day. Naisip ko mag-vlog today because I wanted to share with you yung granola recipe that I will be doing later on. Wala na akong granola sa bahay. Hindi ko naisip dati na pwede ka palang gumawa ng homemade granola. So that's what I'm doing today. I have my ingredients ready and hopefully maging okay siya, kasi if that turns out to be okay, then I will definitely be making my own granola at home. It's already about 12:30, I think, in the afternoon. Pero bago tayo gumawa ng lunch, which is tacos, excited akong gumawa ng tacos for lunch. Pero bago yan, samahan niyo muna ako. Pumunta muna tayo sa farmer's market. Dito lang, malapit lang sa amin. Lalakarin ko lang para extra burn. Pagpawisan pa ulit tayo. So that's what I'm going to do. And then after that, I will make my homemade granola, which I'm very, very much excited about. Yay! So let's go ahead and start the day. So tara na, punta na tayo sa farmer's market.
You show up at my door with some coffee and croissants. Went to my favorite store, 'cause you could tell it's what I want. I can't imagine more. It's been dreaming far beyond. Well, so then what am I so nervous for? 'Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say, I dream about you daily, and your face, it's a painting in the Louvre, baby. All your words like a screenplay in a movie storyline, but I get scared till I say, yeah, definitely, baby.
Oh my gosh.
Almost as if someone's writing a screenplay to my life, dressing it up for fun. All of the main character vibes, days all covered in sun, and I am glowing from inside. I really can't believe that's what you've done. 'Cause when it's good, just really good, then it should be too good. I know that there must be a catch, just waiting around for the record to scratch. But then you go again when you say, I dream about you daily, and your
sabi ng baby ko, I intend for this to be hot and spicy. So parang hindi siya masyadong hot. I'm gonna get my chili pepper flakes.
So guys, this is good and yummy. Mama's over there.
This is my ultimate favorite. Lahat ng lagyan ko nito, sumasarap. Bulbulan din. Since mainit ng panahon, painitin pala natin.
Yummy.
Ang masarap. Yummy. It's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and usually it's a normal routine ko, which is 20 hours fasting and 4 hours of eating window. I usually stop eating at 4 o'clock, but since late ako kumain today, I will extend my fasting or my eating window up until 5:30-ish or 6 o'clock, pinaka-late na yun. I'm just gonna do 18 hours for now, and then I'll let my body adjust again, and eventually, bumalik na ulit ako completely sa 20-hour fast. When I was at the hospital, I was still fasting for 16 hours, but sometimes, napapakain ako in the middle of the night kasi nagbabantay ako sa baby. Again, I'm trying to get into that habit again. We're slowly going back with my usual routine. So, naisip kong gumawa ng fruit mix or fruit salad for my last meal of the day, and then haluan ko na lang siya ng granola. So, gawin natin yung granola. I found a recipe on YouTube that's very easy to make. I'm gonna use my air fryer for that. So, hopefully, cross fingers, naging okay yung mix natin na yun. So, let's go! Samahan nyo na akong gumawa ng homemade granola. While waiting for our granola, mag-merienda muna tayo ng Coke Zero Vanilla Flavor. Sobrang sarap nito. Yeah. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. I think we have to let this sit for a few minutes muna sa labas. Titikim na ako ng very, very light. Tikman natin. Ito. Oh, wow. Ang sarap niya. Although may ibang part na medyo parang burnt yung taste niya. Just because maybe mataas yung masyado yung temperature ko. But it's my first try. And for me, this is not bad for a first time. So, I'm so happy. Ang sarap-sarap niya. I will keep on trying until I get the right temperature, and so far the taste, I really love it. I have never tasted any granola that tastes like this one. So, dahil dyan, let's make my dinner for today. I will have fruit salad with granola. Finally, I already have my last meal for the day. This is my fruit salad granola bowl with the homemade granola that I made earlier. Grabe, sobrang happy ako dito. Ang sarap-sarap niya. I swear, ang sarap-sarap niya. I have never tasted any store-bought granola that tastes like this. So, hindi naman sa pagmamayabang. Charot. It's already 6:40. I planned on eating hanggang 6 o'clock lang, but it's okay. I can just make a few adjustments. So, this is my fruit salad granola bowl. I just thought of making it simple, yung something that can be refreshing because ang init-init ngayon. So, I'm gonna finish this. Thank you so much for watching up until the end of this vlog. So, this is my little reset after my usual diet routine has been a little bit interrupted because of life happenings, you know. But we must continue kasi nga, it's still for our benefit naman. I'm gonna end the video here. Well, thank you so much sa pagsama sa akin sa lahat ng mga ganap ko for today. I hope that you are staying healthy, you're staying happy, and most importantly, you start building your healthy habits now. So I hope you were able to pick up a thing or two on this video. If you like it, give it a thumbs up, share this with your friends or your loved ones. If you haven't done so already, make sure that you subscribe to this channel for more contents like this in the future. So sama-sama tayong maging healthy, sama-sama tayong pumayat, and I'll see you again on my next vlog. Bye! Kain tayo, sarap!